Good morning, children. Welcome back to our next chapter, that is fourth chapter of physical education. Physical education and sports for CWSN, that is children with special needs. It is also known as Divyang. In this chapter, we have to study about the needs of the children, those who are disabled. First is aims and objective of adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education, that is also we can say that APE, is the art and science of developing, implementing and monitoring a careful designed physical education instructional program for a learner with a disability based on a comprehensive assessment to give the learner the skills necessary for a lifetime of rich leisure, recreation and sports experiences to enhance physical fitness and wellness. Adapted physical education is an individualized program of instruction created for students with disability that enables success in physical education. APE. APE in context we can say that adapted means to adjust or to fit modifications to meet the needs of students. Adaptive physical education is a sub-discipline of physical education. Adaptive physical education is not only a sub-discipline of physical education, but it also comprises the same components associated with physical education, providing safe, personally satisfying and successful experiences for students of varying abilities. The circular purpose of adapted physical education align with those of physical education. The Individuals with Disability Education Improvement Act, that is IDEA, includes in the definition of adapted physical education physical and motor fitness, fundamental motor skills and patterns, skill in aquatic and dance, individual and group games and sports, including lifetime sports, designed to meet the unique needs of individual. Adapted physical education should be diversified and include developmental and remedial activities. Adapted physical education is a direct service, not a related service. Adapted physical education services should include assessment and instruction by qualified personnel, prepared to gather assessment data and provide physical education instruction for children and youth with disability and developmental delays. Aim of adapted physical education. The primary goal of adapted physical education should be to ensure that the child is provided with physical education services that meet his or her unique needs. There are some objectives also. Individualized education program. What is individualized education program? It means a consideration of the individualized education program determines the needs of child, and adapted program would be the safe of the student. Next point is to develop their motor skills. Another consideration would be the development of the students' motor skills by giving them some flexible skills first, then some rigid skills. Third point is active participation. In active participation, adapted physical education program try to ensure that each student should actively participate in physical education program at his or her own level, and that the student is integrated into the regular education program whenever possible. Next point is self-esteem. Here self-esteem is very important for achievement of the goal, and other goals might include assisting students to develop self-esteem, further socialization skills and promote sportsmanship. Last but not least, socialization abilities. Here, to develop socialization ability, the program of APE, that is Adapted Physical Education, emphasized to develop social qualities for best adjustment in society. Next topic is organization promoting adaptive physical education. There are various organizations which promote and encourage adaptive physical education, like the International Federation of Adapted Physical Activity, that is IFAPA, is a cross-disciplinary professional organization of individuals, institutions and agencies supporting and promoting adapted physical activity, disability sport and all aspects of sports, movement and exercise science for individuals with disabilities. IFAPA, that is International Federation of Adapted Physical Activity, encourages international cooperation in the field of physical activity to the benefit of individuals of all abilities, to promote, stimulate and support research in field of adapted physical activity throughout the world. It assists and guides the international Special Olympics, Paralympics and Deaflympics. These are the other organizations which work under IFAPA. There is Special Olympic Bharat, Paralympics and Deaflympics.